Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to log in to Google Classroom. First, open any browser. There are two ways to log in. First, search for Google Classroom in the search bar. After typing it, click on the Enter button. A new window will open. The first link that appears is the link to Google Classroom. In addition, there is another way to log in. You will see these dots here. Click on them. After clicking, you will see many Google apps for different purposes. You need to find Google Classroom from these. To do this, you will need to scroll down. Scroll down until you find it. This is Google Classroom. Click on it. After clicking on it, Google Classroom will open. You just need to log in. Let's go back to the first method. First, click on this link. After clicking, it will start to open. As soon as it opens, you just need to scroll down a little. After scrolling, this button will appear. Click on it. After clicking, a new tab will open. As soon as it opens, this new format will open. If you want to open it from here, click on Continue. After clicking, Google Classroom will open. Here you can create your own class or join it. Just click here. This is what I have said. Create and join class. This is how to log in to Google Classroom. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.